Welcome to this tutorial on how to receive USDC in Coinbase. Receiving USDC is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, you need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one, sign up for an account by providing the required information and verifying your identity. Once your account is set up, log in to the Coinbase website or mobile app. To receive USDC, navigate to the Accounts page, where you will see a list of all your available wallets. Find the USDC wallet and click on it. This will take you to the USDC wallet page, where you can view your balance and transaction history. Next, click on the Receive button. This will display your USDC wallet address, which is a unique string of characters that identifies your wallet. You can also view the QR code associated with your wallet address, which can be used to quickly share your address with others. To receive USDC, you need to share your wallet address with the person or entity sending you the funds. You can copy and paste the wallet address or share the QR code. Make sure to only share your wallet address with trusted individuals or organizations. Once the sender has initiated the transaction, the USDC will be transferred to your Coinbase wallet. You can view the transaction history to track the status of the transfer. It may take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. It is essential to note that Coinbase has certain fees and limits associated with receiving USDC. These fees and limits may vary depending on your location and the amount of USDC being transferred. Be sure to review the fees and limits before receiving USDC to avoid any unexpected charges. Best practices for receiving USDC in Coinbase include always verifying the sender's wallet address to ensure the funds are coming from a trusted source. Additionally, make sure to keep your Coinbase account and wallet secure by enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your password confidential. In conclusion, receiving USDC in Coinbase is a simple and secure process. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily receive USDC and start using it for various purposes, such as trading, investing, or making payments.